Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to finish off the hollow spiral candlestick project. Now, in the last video, we actually showed how we produce the spindle portion of this. Today, we're going to be focusing on the actual base, which is going to be done on our 3-axis horizontal workstation. So let's go see how that's done on the Maverick CNC system. Normally we keep the dust brushes closed, but for this cutting demonstration, we open them up so you can see all the cutting action. To get this candlestick base on and off of the machine quickly, we're able to mount it to a T-track table using Legacy's Low Pro side clamps. If you're interested in adding these type of clamping systems to your CNC, call 801-491-0010. Now in total, we used 3 cutters to complete the entire candlestick base. The first cutter is a 90-degree V cutter, and we saw that it added 2 chamfers in a circular pattern at 2 different levels. To match the design of the base to the candlestick cup, we're using a Plunge cove and bead cutter that adds a radius and a cove detail of the base. Last, a 3/8 spiral cutter is used to complete 3 processes: to machine shoulders along the flat surfaces next to the chamfers, to machine the round mortise where the tenon of the candlestick will join to the base, and third, to cut out the shape of the round base itself. All the cutters used throughout this cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. I'll leave a list of these cutters down below in the video description. All that's left is to sand, glue these parts together, and apply some finish. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the final results. Well, this project is ready. This will make an excellent gift for this Christmas season. It always blows people away when you give someone this type of project because it's absolutely mesmerizing, something that they will cherish and keep forever. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did on producing this. If you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC system and what it can do for you and your business opportunities, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. Now, if you have any questions and would like to talk to a CNC expert, you can always call 801-491-0010. You can also leave any comments or questions down below. Now, if you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations like this, just click right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos like this come out. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.